Mandarin is often used as a digestive aid and to ease anxiety. It is commonly used in soaps, cosmetics, perfumes, and colognes. This tangy oil is used to increase circulation to the skin, prevent stretch marks, and to reduce fluid retention. Mandarin has many applications in its flavoring industry, and its therapeutic properties include antiseptic, antispasmodic, cytophilitic, depurative, sedative, stomachic, and tonic. Direct sunlight should be avoided after use, as it may be phototoxic. Mandarin is a top note.